It's box number 4, so if you want to see what's inside this one, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Chloe back there, and Bandit's off begging food because my mom is cooking. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is box number 4 in my oops, I forgot to check my cart before the last day video series for FabFitFun. So that being said, we've decided here to open a Mercari shop because I have more than enough for gifts and giveaways, and so we're going to try to also kind of reasonably price things for Mercari. So if you're interested in that, I will try to post a link once I get that up and running. So, 50th box. Oh wait, this just has a bunch of small stuff. I heard a lot of stuff shaking around. I'm like, is that broken? But no, it looks like it's just a bunch of small stuff. So, skincare. This is a skincare box. We have the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. It is safe for sensitive skin. And my sister just told me that this is actually an issue for her, so I'm glad to have that for her. It is in fresh strawberry too, and I love First Aid Beauty. Next, by Innisfree, we have a serum, and this is the Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum to brighten and refine. And there is how that looks. Next, and this is my all-time favorite cleansing balm. It's great for removing makeup. It doesn't make your eyes tear. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So I am so excited to have this again. The packaging is always so pretty. Alright, so there is how that looks. This is definitely staying with me because it is my all-time favorite. There's quite a few. This is the 3rd First Aid Beauty product from the summer collection. This is the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil for sensitive skin. I don't know if there is a scent to this. I will have to look that up. I mean, it looks like it would be lavender. So it doesn't have any artificial fragrance. It does have a lot of fruit oils in it. And so now I just have to smell it. Oh yeah, that's good. You want to smell, Chloe? Okay, she's not listening. She's ignoring me. Really nice. I'm really excited about that. By Bathorium is a konjac exfoliating body sponge. So this is a great exfoliator. I've had them for the face. And they're kind of, I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but they're kind of hard, but once you start getting them wet, they start to expand. And I don't know how I would like it on my entire body, but I did enjoy the face ones that I had some years back. And then the last thing in here is from Dr. Jart. This is the Cryo Rubber Moisture Mask. It's a 2-step treatment, and it is, I think, 1 mask. Step 1 has hyaluronic acid, and step 2 has sea moss. And it looks like it is just 1 mask. You're going to leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. You're going to put the serum on first and then the mask. You're going to leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. And you can use it 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm not sure if, I guess we'll have to open it up. There's only 1 ampule and 1 mask. So I don't know if this is reusable. And if there's more than 1 treatment in here. It does not say anywhere. Okay, so that is box number 4. Some things that I'm really excited to have in here that I probably wouldn't have put in my box in the first place. So I'm not mad about it. And let me know your thoughts as always. What was your favorite item from this box? Mine is probably going to be this. This smells so nice. All right, well, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.